Hello folks, talked a few times about various items, and I've mentioned bags, and I would imagine before we can start any kind of a trip we need to determine what kind of bags we're going to use to carry our equipment into the BWCA. So I'd like to talk a few minutes about that. The types of bags, different types of bags that are available, some tricks, some ideas to kind of get you started on your own way of thinking and putting together your own type of bag for your needs. So let's get started here. You see I've got several bags in front of me. I've got the tent bag, I've got a tackle bag here, got a cook kit, maybe a clothing bag, depending on how light you want to travel. Miscellaneous camera bag, that's what this is. This is a camera bag. It's bright red so that I can see it. And this is another type of bag. It's a canvas bag. It's square. It's fairly small for incidentals. This here is not a bag, but it's a food barrel with an Alice pack. So that's going to be the food bag. So different types of bags you'll see in the magazines and different places, even people out in the boundary waters, you'll see with great big square bags called Duluth pack. Goes over the shoulders and maybe a forehead strap. Everything fits right inside that bag. Myself, I like to use different size bags for different items that I'm going to be carrying in. I don't care so much to put everything in one bag. It gets pretty big, could get pretty heavy, and then when I get to my destination I've got to unload everything to find one or two items that I might want in the bag. So I've opted for bags with different size pockets. That helps me keep my items separated. It helps me locate things a little bit quicker when I'm at camp, or even traveling with the canoe or going across the portage. I've got a side pocket. I might have my my lunch in there, maybe some toiletry items, TP, things like that. Cook kit again, different size bag, different size pockets. But here, just for my example here, this is my tent bag. This is what I call my tent bag, and it opens up pretty easily, pretty big, clear across the top. And you'll notice that I have a plastic bag inside the bag. There's waterproof bags, but I've opted for this type of a system. The bag will take the abuse. The plastic keeps my things dry, as opposed to having a waterproof bag. If that becomes punctured, now my items are not going to stay dry. This way, if the bag becomes torn, I can just replace the plastic bag. Inside, everything still stays dry. Again, the outside takes the abuse. The inside, it stays nice and dry. This is my sleeping bags in here. They stay nice and dry. Different size pockets. Up on the top, I've got a first aid kit, a little solar light, ace bandage, some mosquito repellent. Easy to get to, right up on top. Don't have to go digging clear to the bottom of a great big bag to find it. It's right there on top, easy to get to. And then here's another pocket down below. This is the pocket that I put the air mattresses in. They're not very big. Again, everything's wrapped up in plastic to keep it dry from travel. There's one air mattress. I've got two in there. So again, the plastic bag keeps everything dry. Different size pocket. The backpack is pretty old, pretty worn. Side pockets. Let's see. Well, we've got some toilet paper in there. We've got some more plastic baggies. So that's just one example. And then across the top is where I'll carry the tent. There's some straps on it. There's it's just my idea, my way of putting my things together there. My tackle bag, same thing. As you can see, it's camouflaged. This is an Air Force bag. This too has big zippers, easy access. Got all my cooking kit in here. Pots, pans, plates, everything. I've got extra cord and rope. Outside pockets. We've got easy to get to scrub pad, more matches. Another side pocket. I'll have other tools. I got some zip ties for repair. I also carry in the cook kit a hatchet, and the saw. This unfolds, as many do. They'll unfold. I carry this all in the cook kit. So, nice size bag. Everything fits nice. Over the years of travel, I've discovered that bag there is a good size for my cook kit. Everybody has their own items that they like to bring. Some will bring chairs. You might want to have a way to fasten them to the side of your bag, so you don't have to carry everything under your arms. Put additional straps on your bag. Put additional ways to tie things on. String. There's some straps. These straps on the side, pretty good for those chairs that I mentioned. It's about 30 pounds when it's all full. Again, different size bags for your needs. Find all your equipment that you're going to take. Maybe you've done that already. You've got it all spread out on the living room floor. Determine what you want to get at easy, what you can bury in the bottom of the bag. You don't have to worry about it till you get to camp. And try and fine-tune your bag needs to the items you have. Again, I don't like to throw everything in a great big bag and carry it all at once. It gets kind of heavy. So I like to make several bags. I can carry 2 bags at once, one in the front and one in the back. That'll balance your load. If you have everything on your back, you're going to be bent over and trying to struggle to carry it. 35 pounds, 40 pounds is a good size, good weight. This particular thing, again, it's called an Alice pack. It's what I use to carry the food barrel. Sits on here, and I strap it in. Lots of straps. All kinds of straps here. I've fashioned some of these straps to buy them in the maybe hobby store, maybe a military surplus store, maybe just local dollar store. These straps to hold the barrel in place. I carry my food barrel. This barrel will carry 2 weeks of dried food. They make them bigger, but there again, one big barrel might be kind of heavy. 2 small barrels, a little easier for me to carry. Maybe some of the younger folks or the lady folks might appreciate a smaller item to carry. Also, if I'm going out for more than 2 weeks, I'll bring 2 of these. But otherwise, just one will handle all my dried food for the 2-week period. Again, this is my camera bag, and I carry it on the front as I'm traveling through the portages. I can get access to my camera fairly quick, take pictures of wildlife or that have-to shot that you see. So a lot of different bags out there on the market, surplus stores, and of course you can order a lot of different things online. But keep practicing, keep playing with the different size bags you need so that you don't have to struggle. It should be fun, it should be easy. Make sure that it fits you good so that you will want to come back. You want your bag also to be able to carry it on your back easy. You may want to set it up so that you can adjust it easily. Waist straps to help disperse the load. So there's my cook kit, 30 pounds. Maybe another bag in front. Make your portage. Okay, we will see you again.